All right, now we talk about the memory.md file. Now the memory.md file is not the same as a docs folder. The docs folder is where we put that information that we want Claude to know every time Claude works on the project. It's information that is consistent. It's information that doesn't change. All right, it's information that is basically there for a long time until we decide to change it. It's the heart of the project, while Claude.md is the map or the brain, which is basically pointing towards the docs folder and anything else inside the project. We need now something else, another tool, which is the memory.md file, which is more like a project diary. It's more like basically telling Claude, okay, this is what we did today. And this is that's what we had at the beginning of the session. So every day there's a new session if you work with Claude, and that's what's at the end. And that's how we have to think about the memory.md. It's basically a diary. Yeah. So memory.md is in the root. The distinction between the docs folder and the memory.md folder. Docs folder is standards and patterns you define, while memory is decisions and learnings the agent accumulates. Docs folder is prescriptive, it's basically the blueprint, and memory is operational. It's the project diary. It's whatever's happening today and during the session. Yeah? The docs folder is stable and the memory evolves every session. Yeah? So these are the differences. Now, you give that instruction, this to Claude, and you tell Claude, Claude, please create the memory.md file based on the starter here. And Claude will do that for you, and you basically will then update your memory.md file every time you start a new session. Well, it will create the first memory.md file and update the file at the end of your session when you instruct Claude to do so. As you can see here, we have here the project memory, project context, active work, recent decisions, pattern discovered, known issues, what worked, what did not work, etc. Again, it's not a docs folder here. This is not something to tell, to basically keep track of information. That's not the place for it. That's not the memory.md. Memory.md is basically a layer between the Claude.md and your docs folder to help you understand where you're at this time. And that's what you do. We have here, for example, keeping memory.md useful. You keep entries short, 1 decisions. 2 to 3 sentences. There's a date on every entry, and then you also delete old entries. So it's basically moving with you, with the project, yeah? And that's what the memory.md file does. All right, that's it. Now, the next video will be about the setup instructions, and then we'll also have a look quickly at the frameworks.